No, shoot, that's just in the way.
It's just gonna...
It's going to fight to the bitter end.
Yeah.
And there's the bitter end.
You need the tools.
The tool lady.
Back in the bag. Used it.
Any money under the seat?
Yeah, there's a nickel.
We'll see. There you go.
Making money.
Making money as you go.
Winning lottery ticket.
Crap. Okay, what do you need me to do?
Just call them out. That might do it. And the shift linkage. It's, that needs to get popped off. Screwdriver.
Oh, see. Okay. This might be better.
Okay. I think everything else holding is probably wiring.
I mean, cut.
Oh man, that's a new lamp. Well, that's annoying. There we go.
Yeah, you got some heavy duty wires over here on this side, that big yellow one.
Yeah, I want to make sure I cut them at the right spot.
You might want to hold on to the steering wheel again just in case. You don't want to knock him out.
That's true. So this. Let's push it up. There we go. So let's see where to cut to not damage. That should just about do it. And there's a clip here. Oh yeah, it's super easy this.
What is hanging on to it now? Another wire?
I don't know. The sun's like block. You can't see.
Oh.
The sun is literally right where you can't see.
Can't be much.
You wouldn't think. I don't know, but I can't see. Like every time I get down here, look, I'm blinded.
Hey guys, welcome back. We just finished installing a new to us tilt column into the 48. Didn't get a single second of it on video because if you don't press the record button you don't get the video, but I thought I'd at least show you that it's been done and it's magnificent. So it was a trip to the junkyard and several hours of work all just for this little lever. I tried just getting this lever, but there was nowhere to put it on the other one. But now I have the full ability to tilt this wheel, and that changes the entire drivability of this car dramatically. So I'm extremely excited about it. And who knew that $100 and 2 or 3 hours of fiddling around and cussing would give you a new lever. You have the ability to tilt the wheel like a civilized person. No more peasantry in this car.